How to pick a YouTube channel name. 1. Pick a name that represents your brand. Your channel name should be representative of your brand. This is the most important factor to consider. Your brand can be a company name, your own personal name, your stage name, or something specific to your niche. 2. Use the same name across all your social media profiles. The second tip for you is social media consistency. Using the same name across all your social media handles and websites is always a good practice. So, before choosing a name for your YouTube channel, make sure it is available on the major social media networks: Facebook, X, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. If your chosen name is available on YouTube, but already taken on other networks, it's better to come up with something available on all channels to avoid confusing your brand with other brands or people. Even if you don't plan on expanding your presence on the web, it is highly recommended that you secure a domain name that is the same as your YouTube channel name. This way, you'll protect your brand from fakers and spammers. You can use a domain name checker to check availability, register a domain name, and then create a YouTube channel and other social media profiles. 3. Your name should be unique, short, and memorable. As mentioned above, choosing a unique name is very important. Uniqueness will make it easier for users to find your channel when searching on Google or YouTube, and it's an essential element in building brand awareness for your channel. The best way to check if your chosen name is unique is to thoroughly search YouTube and Google before making a decision. Besides having a unique name, it is equally important to choose something short, 3 words max, and easy to remember. If you decide not to use your own name and go with a brand name, combining your channel's topic with catchy words can help make your channel name memorable. Here are some great examples of catchy YouTube channel names to get some inspiration. 5-Minute Crafts, The Everyday Dad, Unbox Therapy, Be Inspired, Body Hub, Silicon Valley Girl, Motivation Core. 4. Choose a name that adheres to YouTube community guidelines. YouTube has a set of community guidelines covering everything happening on YouTube: content, users, comments, etc., including channel names. 5. Select a name that is easy to pronounce and avoid using numbers. Last but not least, choose a name that is easy to pronounce and spell. As your channel grows, other YouTubers may reference it in their videos, and you want something easy to say or mention in writing. Also, avoid using numbers. In most cases, using numbers as part of a YouTube channel name makes it look spammy, auto-generated, and hard to remember.